never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Camp John Hay was originally established in 1903 as a rest and recreation facility for the US military during the American colonial period. Another interesting fun fact was it was established by US President Theodore Roosevelt and was named after his Secretary of State John Milton Hay.
Dapat po ba kayo dito? Pumisita lang dito? Pumisita lang? Taga Pampanga kami. Ah, okay po. So, dapat po kamusta yung experience dito sa Pampanga? Okay naman. Bale, ito na yung second place na pinuntahan natin dito. Bale, yung una is yung horseback riding. Tapos, ito. Kamusta na po yung masaya po ba? Medyo, pero nakakapagod kasi paakyat siya eh. Oo, paakyat. Kaya medyo nakakapagod, pero worth it naman.
Experience here visiting Camp John Hay?
It's very nice. I think it's very clean, first of all, and I can see that a lot of people are enjoying their time here, like doing some picnics or walking around and learning about the history. So it's a very pleasant experience.
How about your experiences, your interaction with the local people?
They are very helpful. They always answer any questions that we might have, or sometimes they even offer to help us without us asking. And they are very nice and just very friendly people.
So how about the
Overall place?
Overall.
Baguio? The city?
Yes,
yeah.
go.
Okay. It's I mean it's the first city we see in the Philippines, so I don't know how to compare it with other places yet. But I think it has a very youthful vibe. There are a lot of young people, I think students in the universities, and also with the celebration happening now, it's very it gives off a lot of energy and very lively.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Another interesting fact is that Japanese used Camp John Hay as intermittent camp for American and British soldiers during the World War II. Another interesting fact, Camp John Hay is one of the famous tourist spots here in Baguio for its cool climate and scenic views.
So at present, we can also experience a lot of activities here in Camp John Hay. We have horseback riding, we have golfing, children parks included, and this scenery.
Magandang isipin na ang lupang tinatapakan natin ngayon dito sa Camp John Hay ay dating military base ng mga Americans noong World War II, na ngayon ay isa ng tourist spot dito sa Baguio, na maaaring puntahan at malikan ng mga tao upang bisitahin at alalahanin ng mga nangyari noon.